Go to Huobi.com and click Sign Up. Use our referral code. Click link in description. Copy the code from your email. User/account and security. Let's enable SMS verification. Get SMS code and write it down. Copy verification code from your email. Now, let's complete Google Authenticator. You can use any Authenticator app on your phone. Write down the code from your phone. Get email and SMS code and type them in. User/identification. Choose your type of document. Once you're done uploading, click Submit. Wait for the system to check your application. Check your email 1 to 2 hours later. You're now a verified Huobi user.